The TOS-3 Dragon is Russia's newest thermobaric launcher, born from necessity, born from battlefield pressure, and born from Russia's fast-moving defense industry. Development began in early 2024. Omsk-Transmash registered the TOS-3 name, a clear signal. Russia was preparing something new, something stronger than the TOS-1A, and safer than the TOS-2. By mid-2024, the Dragon appeared in Saratov. Not a mock-up, not a sketch. A real machine, standing, fully built, ready to move. Then came April 2024. The prototype was declared complete. No delays, no waiting. Russia combined proven components and turned them into a brand new platform. The Dragon wasn't created slowly, it was created fast because the battlefield demanded it. The TOS-3 rides on a T-80 tank chassis, strong, fast, heavy armor, and perfect for frontline operations. On top sits a new launcher module, 15 rocket tubes, 3 rows, 5 tubes each, a compact design with massive firepower. Yes, fewer tubes than older TOS systems, but the rockets are bigger, longer, and built for long-range strikes. To survive the drone era, the launcher is wrapped in a steel cage. It destroys incoming FPVs before they reach the main structure. Then there's Volnarez, a modern electronic warfare shield. It scrambles drones, disrupts guided munitions, and keeps the Dragon alive. The rockets are the real star. Long-range thermobarics, 15 kilometers, sometimes up to 24. A huge jump from the old 5 to 6 kilometer systems. This changes everything. Russia can strike without stepping too close, without exposing crews, without giving the enemy a chance to react. Ukraine changed the game, and Russia adapted fast. The TOS-1A was brutally effective, but its short range made it vulnerable. Too close to the front, too exposed to drones and anti-tank missiles. The TOS-2 fixed the range issue, but the truck chassis was too lightly protected, too easy to target, too easy to destroy. The TOS-3 is the solution. Long range, tank armor, high mobility, and modern electronic warfare, the best of every generation, combined in one machine. Built the Russian way, fast, practical, and lethal. Late 2024, the Dragon entered Ukraine, quietly, directly to a combat unit, no parade, no publicity. The first operators were the 29th Separate NBC Protection Brigade, specialists in thermobaric warfare, highly trusted, highly trained. Their battlefield, Pokrovsky, Donetsk, a brutal sector, bunkers everywhere, trenches everywhere, a perfect place to test the Dragon. Footage soon appeared, clear video, clear images, T-80 chassis, 15 massive tubes, heavy metal shielding, a silhouette you can't mistake. By mid-2025, Russia released official footage, rocket launches, massive blasts, heat waves rolling across enemy positions. The tactics are simple: shoot, move, disappear, reappear from another direction. It keeps the system alive and keeps the pressure on the enemy. The number of units is still small, probably one battery, but the impact is big. Even Western analysts admitted it. The national interest called the Dragon more flexible and more destructive than earlier TOS systems. The TOS-3 Dragon is a major leap forward, not loud, not flashy, but extremely efficient. Every weakness of older TOS systems, fixed, every strength, preserved, and every demand of modern warfare, met. The Dragon has already fired its first rockets, already proved itself, already shown its future potential. This is Russia's new thermobaric powerhouse, longer range, better protection, smarter defenses, and far more lethal. The Dragon has awakened, and this is only the beginning. This content is created solely for educational and informational purposes. It is intended to provide insights based on verified data, credible sources, and careful analysis. Our goal is to foster a deeper understanding of modern military technology and current events, not to promote or endorse any form of conflict, propaganda, or political agenda. We strictly oppose the spread of misinformation and hoaxes. Every piece of information presented has been carefully sourced from reliable, publicly available references. We encourage viewers to approach the topic with critical thinking and respect for all sides involved, maintaining a focus on knowledge sharing and open discussion. Thanks for watching. If you found this video insightful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more updates on military tech, global conflict, and defense strategies. This is Tapur Update, and we'll see you in the next one. Stay sharp.